अभी हम लोग एक भजन सुन रहे थे, बहुत जन्मों से बिछड़े हैं माधव, ये जन्म तेरे लेके। कितना सच्चा ये भजन है। कभी हमने सोचा है कि ये जन्म बहुत मुश्किल से मिलता है, बहुत साधना से मिलता है। इसलिए गुरु जी का कोटि कोटि शुक्राना कि हम मनुष्य जीवन में हैं, मनुष्य योनि में हैं। कभी आपने महसूस किया हो कि जानवर कितनी मुश्किल से रहते हैं, पल पल उनके जीवन को खतरा होता है। किसी छोटे से हिरण के बच्चे को देखे पानी पी रहा होता है तो उसकी आंखें घूम रही होती है, चंचल होती है, और थोड़ी सी कोई किसी पक्षी या जानवर की आवाज आए तो उसके कान खड़े हो जाते हैं कि इमिनेंट डेंजर इज देयर। हम लोग मनुष्य बड़े आराम से पानी पीते हैं, फ्रिज से, घड़े से, एज वी लाइक। एक शेर वैसे तो जंगल का राजा होता है, बट व्हेन ही इज ओल्ड उसकी खाल, उसकी स्किन पूरी ढीली और लटक जाती है, वो छोटा सा रूप बन जाता है, बिकॉज ही अनएबल टू प्रे, आई मीन शिकार नहीं कर पाता, एंड ही डाइज अल्टीमेटली। दैट वे वी आर फॉर्चुनेट एनफ टू हैव दिस जन्म, और ये सभी गुरु जी परमात्मा का आशीर्वाद है हम लोगों का। पर मनुष्य ने भी काफी तरक्की की है और अपने आप को जाल में फंसा लिया है। जैसे there is a lot of problems stuck between mind and matter. If you don't mind, it does not matter. And the whole thing is stuck up between this mind and matter. We have made a lot of progress. Machines, motorcycles, aeroplanes, and whatnot. We have built houses to stay safe, save ourselves from the heat, cold, and all those things. But that progress has made the mankind puzzled, बेचैन, सुकून नहीं है जिसमें। Although apparently we are very prosperous, very progressive and all those things, but that sukoon is missing, peace of mind is missing. And when we come here, Guruji के दरबार में, आश्रम में, and we get this time because of the format given by Guruji, जो हमें 1.5-2 घंटे हम आराम से बैठते हैं, सुकून में बैठते हैं, सोचते हैं, शब्दों का विचार करते हैं, तो it gives lot of peace. We feel mellowed down. We try to understand the meaning of the words imbibed in those songs, and it makes lot of difference. जपटी साहब के शो में ही जो हम लोग रोज करते हैं संगीत में, लास्ट लाइन्स हैं, हुक्म रजाई रखना नानक लिखिया नाम। What does hukam means? As per dictionary meaning, it could be command or some order, but that is not, as I feel, I am not competent to interpret what is what. But as I understand, that is what is happening. Hukam is what is happening around us, with us, and in the world as such. तो उसके साथ चलने में ही हमारी भलाई है, हमारा सुकून है, हमारा संतुष्टि है. Otherwise, we'll be simply hanging around and may not achieve the real thing. मनुष्य जीवन को जो जीवन मिला है उसका सुख या उसका वो नहीं प्राप्त कर सकते. So, हुक्म रजाई चलना नानक लिखे नाल. It's very meaningful. It has great meanings. वैसे भी परमात्मा के चरणों के साथ चलना, जैसे भजन में सुनते हैं, रखी चरना दे नाल. In lighter vein, जब फिशरमैन जाल फैलाता है तो जो सबसे दूर मछलियां होती है वो पहले पकड़ी जाती है. पर जो मछुआरे या जो पकड़ता है फिशरमैन, उसके चरणों के आसपास होती है, उसके पैरों के आसपास होती है. दे एस्केप. सो वी आर गुरु जी के चरणों में हैं, तो आई थिंक वी आर सेव्ड. वी हैव ऑल दी सेफ्टी इन हिज शरण. So that is also very important, that we come here, we listen to, and that is also being with Guruji, along with Guruji, or in his sharan. So that is that is I think next is our belief and surrendering ourselves to Guruji. That has also its own solace, its own benefits. I'll again narrate one story of a flight from one destination to another destination. But it was caught in bad weather, and pilot announced that we are facing turbulence, bad weather, and he asked the passengers to fasten their seat belts and be alert because anything could happen. So people were nervous, they were crying. But one small kid was sitting in the corner near the window seat, and he was quite peaceful, quite undisturbed. And the flight was on, and fortunately they crossed through the turbulence and it landed safely. Passengers started to deboard. But one gentleman, one passenger, went to the child, that kid, and asked why you were not disturbed throughout the when all of us were in panic. She just politely told the gentleman that, see, my father is the pilot of this aircraft, and I am confident that he will take me home. So this is the confidence. This is the confidence in maybe father and father like our Guruji, that we are safe in his hands. If we have confidence, then we are not bothered about trivial things, day-to-day problems. We leave it to God and he takes care of us. गीता में जैसे भगवान कृष्ण ने कहा है, योग क्षेम वहाम्यहम्. Your welfare is my responsibility. Once you surrender to me, then leave it to me that I will take care of you. So that is the faith or the belief that saves us from unnecessary worries, unnecessary botherations. We come to the ashram, we may be very tired, busy, or we get lot of peace of mind. We are mellowed down. We get settled here for some time. And we go with positive energy, positive vibrations. And that is blessing of Guruji that he has made such a format of this Kirtan Sangat, or that we keep in silence, we keep silence and listen to his Shabd, Gurbani, Jap Ki sound. And that makes all the difference. I'll also like to mention the atmosphere maintained here is very excellent. Our thanks to Sevadar team and trustees of this ashram that I have not seen such a peaceful atmosphere and peaceful, very sober, very good ambience for this type of arrangements. So thank you very much. Tomorrow morning I will be leaving for Delhi. I am here for the last 3 months. So on the occasion of Lohri, Makar Sankranti, I seek Guruji's blessing to bless me and bless you all. Thank you very much.